Vlogmas day 2. It is really late. What time is it? 8 o'clock. Okay, I'm gonna take this off of my eyes. Don't be alarmed, because if you watched yesterday's Vlogmas, I had said that last night I slept with my makeup on because I fell asleep, and now this eye just all of a sudden started to react, and it's kind of like, feels like there's something in there. So normally when that happens, I'll just put like a warm washcloth on it and I'll close my eyes. So I'm gonna talk to you guys like this. A lot of the times, even if I do like an eye wash, which I did, I already rinsed my eye with warm water, it gets even more irritated. So this really does help. If you guys haven't seen my latest Instagram post, I was actually talking about how this is my 6th year participating in Vlogmas. The best part about vlogging is you get to look back on all those memories. Hang on a second. I get inspired by creative videos, but that's the great thing about vlogging. It's like not everything is always so super glam. This right now is not glam at all. I mean, yeah, I know I look terrible, but you know, this is real life and it's Vlogmas. I'm still like in a happy mood. I don't want you to think I'm not in a happy mood. I am, but I just did the dumbest thing of life, and I'm really just kicking myself now. For whatever reason, compelled to format this card on my vlog camera, and the second I hit format, and format is basically where it wipes out everything, I realized that I didn't import any of this footage from today, because I had started Vlogmas early this morning ever since I woke up, and I basically vlogged the whole day in a snap just like that, accidentally erased everything, and now everything's gone. So I have no footage basically for today. You know, it's all good. We still have some footage. Footage is right now. So happy Vlogmas day 2. It's real life, and it is as real as it can get. Basically today I worked on the Vlogmas intro, which took forever because I added all these effects, and it literally took like, I think about 2.5 hours for all of the effects to really render, because every time I made a small little change, it would render, and it would take like 30 minutes or so. Oh my gosh, my eye. It would take such a long time. So for like 2.5, almost 3 hours, I was basically doing that. And then I edited yesterday's Vlogmas, and that took quite some time as well. And I still haven't even gotten back to emails. Wanted to do some work downstairs so I could watch the Hallmark channel again and just be in a different space. So while I'm letting my eye kind of rest a bit, we're gonna catch up on some of the Vlogmas vlogs. I'm actually watching my friend Lizzie. What would Lizzie do? Hi Lizzie, if you're watching. Thankfully my eye is better. I think it's still just like a tad, like a smidge irritated, but I took that washcloth and then I ran it under like warm water, and then I just left it on my eye for a good 30 minutes, and now my eye feels so much better. But earlier I couldn't even open it, and all the veins were like kind of popping through. I was getting kind of worried. Thankfully, all is good now. Lesson learned, make sure you take off your makeup at night. So we are now going to have some tea, and while our tea is steeping, we are actually going to open a PR package and I guess a couple of goodies that I ordered I ordered it I think like a week and a half ago, and it just arrived today, or a week ago, and it arrived today. So let's open our organic advent tea calendar, and we are on lovely day number 2. If you're wondering about this nail, let's talk about the nail really quickly. These are my real nails. The other day when I was filming Living Room Decorate With Me, this vlog camera was on a gimbal, and I had placed it the wrong way, so when I moved it, the camera hit the floor, like the lens hit the floor, but thankfully my nail blocked it from having a really heavy impact. That would have not been a good thing because this lens is glass. Thankful that this camera, specifically the lens, is okay, and this nail is gone. It was already kind of cracked, split right here on the side, but I was like hanging on to it. I was basically super gluing it because I didn't want to have to cut off all my nails. Okay, so back to the advent calendar. Day number 2. I don't want to look at the name yet. I kind of want to smell the tea, kind of guess together what the tea is going to be. smells kind of orangey, like there's like a fruity smell with a fig scent. This is called Post Festival Cleanse Me. Cleanse Me, that sounds like a colon cleanse tea. I don't know. Oh my gosh. On the other side of the box, it actually tells a little bit about the tea. So, I didn't read yesterday's. Organic green tea with garcinia, cinnamon, ginseng, and acai berry. Now I'm like curious about yesterday's tea, which we drank this morning. Yesterday's tea was organic white tea with cinnamon, cocoa, coconut, and lychee. All right, so let's pour our water, our piping hot water. So let's put back day number 2. Placed an order, I think it was a couple weeks ago actually. I think it was like 3 weeks ago for a pair of earrings. Seen Miss Liz Hart, she was wearing these earrings and I thought they were so super cute. It can definitely be dressed up and down. Let's open it. Let me see. What does it look like? Ooh, these are actually, I thought for some reason they would be larger. I'm used to like larger hoop earrings, but they are so pretty. Look how sparkly they are. Wear this with anything, basically. Wow. These are really adorable. All right. I've been looking for a pair of boots, not like dressy boots, like more casual boots, something that will keep your feet warm because I'm one who always has cold feet. Even when I used to work for an insurance company, had a heater that I would have constantly running, even if it was summertime, because I was always cold. I'm pretty sure a lot of you are familiar with the brand Timberland, but Timberlands are kind of expensive in my opinion. I think they're pricey. How many of you remember the brand Lugs? Because I remember that brand from like back in the day, and my husband still has a pair of Lugs boots that are actually still like in good condition. Looked up the brand Lugs and I saw these really cute pair of boots. Oh my gosh, they are adorable. They're also very reasonably priced. Look at these boots, aren't they so cute? Oh my goodness. These are in a size 6, but it's kind of like a blush pink. I know, they're pink, right? But this is supposed to be like a non-slip sole. It's supposed to be like water resistant. It has memory foam, but look at this fur on the trimming. It's like so warm. I read the reviews on these and they were really good. The only con that a lot of people were saying was the fact that you have to literally unlace these every single time you take your foot in and out of the shoe. So that was like the biggest gripe. But I mean, these are so cute. I think they're a really beautiful shade of blush that are still pretty neutral. Open day number 2 from our Hello Kitty and Friends advent calendar. Day number 2 is Baz Maru. It's like part of his hair. Please be in there. And what the heck? It's gone. This is like, okay, let's just kind of shake one of these out. We grabbed one. It's a Christmas tree. Try the tea. It's all right. I mean, if you ask me which tea I like better, I definitely like the one from yesterday or the one we drank this morning. It's okay, it's not bad, it's not like out of this world, but it's just all right. I would drink it. Okay, and our chocolate. This is actually from Pop Beauty. Look at this packaging. So glam, right? Super glam. It's called Kiss and Sip, hashtag Pop Perfect Pout. Wow, say that 3 times. Pop Perfect Pout. That's a really good tongue twister. Create your Pop Perfect Pout and pucker up for the ultimate kiss-proof test. Sorry, I think there was like a really big glare. But they included some of these permanent pout liquid lipsticks, which I think I'm gonna try one of them out tomorrow. And then they also included these adorable plastic wine glasses. So cute. It says Pop Beauty, and of course it's with the theme. It's pink. They're permanent pout, long wearing, paraben free, not tested on animals, liquid lipstick. So thank you so much to Pop Beauty for sending this over, and I will definitely be trying this out. And these are all of the shades, just a little FYI. When I was decorating the pink tree yesterday, I realized that we just had too many ornaments on there, so I decided we needed to bring one chickie downstairs to represent this Christmas tree, and we're gonna put her right here. There we go. With that being said, I am going to end Vlogtober. I'm going to end Vlogmas day 2 here. I hope you enjoyed just kind of hanging out today. Excuse the fact that I look like, you know, the whole day, and yeah, tomorrow will be a lot more exciting. If you enjoyed today's vlog, please make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you have not already to be a part of the Chickie crew. Would greatly appreciate it. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas day 3.